This meeting is being recorded.
Good morning. Last time we have seen how to draw trend lines and their importance and some of the interesting aspects of bar charts. I would like to continue the trend line drawing and its interpretation in this video also. Let us start with the another method of charting. Last time we have drawn trend lines on bar charts. Now let us use only close or line charts. As you can see here, it takes into consideration only close, that is called as line chart. And as you see here, at the time of a low made here, we do not know the future course of action of the price, whether the price goes up to this area or up to this area or up to this area, nobody knows. So all we have at our disposal is the two lows or two bottoms forward. Only these two we have at this time. Please kindly note that since we have the data up to this point, we are talking about so many tops and bottoms. But what I am trying to say is when we are starting here and don't have much of the data at our disposal, we should be able to predict what could be the possible area of the support or resistance, and what should the price breach or close above or close down for the for confirming the trend reversals. For that, what I do is I will join the first two available bottoms, then see what happens. Here we have one bottom, and exactly very immediately there is another bottom. I will draw a trend line connecting those two bottoms, and I will extend this to the next right side so that it will go automatically here itself. Now you can see it went up. From here onwards it went up, and when this bottom has been breached it came down. So this is the first trend line we have, and you can see its validity when it is extended, when it has gone through, when you can see when it was later again breached from down towards upside by the price saw some upward action, and again when the price breached it, so again there was some upside action and a downside action, and again you can see here it acted as a point of resistance, and again here also it acted as a point of support. So in my personal opinion, drawing the first two available bottoms and extending them would give more fruitful results. Technically speaking, or going by standard textbooks, what we should do, we must be able to identify well formed two, excuse me, three or four tops or bottoms and connect them. For that, we have to wait for here, like that. But what I mean to say is, if we wait for that long, we will be losing so many trading opportunities. So what I do is, if I am taking a bar chart, I will wait only for 3 days, and I will connect the successive lows or successive highs and extend them. If I take a line chart, I will take immediate two bottoms or two tops, connect them and extend them to the right. So this is the first trend line I have drawn, and the next bottom is here, it formed here. So I will connect this next to the immediate bottom. The immediate bottom is here. So for clarity's sake, what I do is I will change the properties and color so that the visibility becomes more easy and clarifying. So I will do this. See here, you can see now it is extended, and you can see here also how this level acted as good what you call as uh, resistance level for this upward movement. Once this price has breached this level and went up, and I also this level, how this level acted in future we shall see. And as usual, here we have a cross section, and I always place one horizontal line at cross section, and I will place here. We do not know what is there in store in future. Now you can see, for clarity sake, I will change all the horizontal lines to blue. Right. Now you can see. We do not know when this line is drawn here. When we drew the line here and extended here, next we placed it here. That was what was the date? It was on 12/5/25. We placed this, and the intersection was also drawn on this at 12/5/25. And you can see that it took support on 2/6/25, and again approximately at this area on 29/4. Sorry, what could be this? Yes, sorry, 7/8, and approximately at 29/8. This again acted as a good area of support. This uh, we have not we do not have the knowledge of the same. What will be happening in the future? Actually, when the price is moving here to here, we will have no idea that it will come down. So what we have to do is we place a cross section, and we keep it there. We want to see how the price will react. And now we connected these two bottoms, and the next two bottoms are these. I will connect them. And I extend to right. I will place the color as yellow, and I will extend this to right. Now you can see it went. Now you can see for yourself. And I place a cross section, horizontal line at the cross section, and I will change the color to blue of all horizontal cross sections. Now you can see here we placed this. We placed this here on approximately on 21/5, and it acted as a good support point on 13/6. We do not know that the bottom will form here. So when we placed this horizontal line, it stood as a rock and acted as a supporting area. And what is the uh, next bottom? Here we have one bottom, here we have one bottom. I will place another trend line on these two bottoms here. Okay, right. Here it is. And I will extend this. I will take this. I will change the colors for convenience sake. Okay. Now I will take green, extend right. Okay. Now you can see. Now you will see that we have already placed this trend line. Now this trend line is placed. Now you can see this acted as the area of resistance. And as usual, we will place one horizontal line here. Horizontal line here, and see how it happens. Right. Now you can see it acted as a support area, acted as a support area, and approximately at this level, it acted as a resistance also. Price has come down. So we have projected this into future. And again, we have another bottom here and another bottom here. We will connect them also. What I do, I will take orange and right extend it and extend it. Now you can see for yourself. There is an intersection. I will place one horizontal line, and uh, once this level was breached, the price has come down. It has come to here. It acted as a good area where if the price has come down once breached, could not surpass it. So it came down again and again and again and again and again. Like this, instead of waiting for the well-formed bottoms set apart from each other, it would be always better to connect two successive bottoms or two successive tops in case of a line chart and extend them and see how it acts, and whenever there is an intersection between two bottom trend lines or one bottom trend line and one top trend line, or two bottom trend lines or two top trend lines, always my sincere advice is always place one horizontal line at that point of intersection and see how that will act as a support or resistance in the days to come. When they have the same similarity, that is the same level acted as support or resistance previously, or what is resistance now has been support previously, or what is support now has been resistance previously. It adds strength to the measurement, being common. It is called as common number. Once it is a common number, it is more strengthier than other resistance or support levels. So this way, when you draw a trend line, you will come to know when the trend is most likely to reverse, and when you have to exit the positions. So this is one method of knowing how the present trend is likely to continue or to reverse or to exit. This way we make use of trend lines. We discuss more in the next video. Thank you for watching.